Hi, I'm Anisha and you are in Anisha's Corner. So this is my very first YouTube channel and this is the very first time I am in a YouTube video. Like I have never been featured to anyone else's video. So who is this Anisha and what is this Anisha's Corner thing? Well, me is Anisha. Anisha is me. I'm Anisha and I'm a student and I'm pursuing my master's in English literature. Well, that went quite well. Main thing, what is Anisha's Corner? It's a safe space for reading, learning and having little funs in your life that matter a lot, yet you are not aware of it. Most of us should have a place in your life where you feel the most lively, the most energetic, the most alive. It can be anywhere. It can be beside a lake, under a tree, in a park, in your own room, like beside a window or something, somewhere else. Also, it can be a nook in your own house. It can also be a hill station or beside a beach. Like it can be anywhere. But this place does not have to be fancy at all. It can be a minimum significance to people, but to you, it's your own safe space. So to sum it up, a place where you can go to anytime and where you can stay as long as possible without any fear of punishments, judgments, stares or glares. So Anisha's Corner aspires to be such a corner for you. Hopefully I will try hard to make this corner a preferable place for you. Now, what can you expect from Anisha's Corner? I'll be talking about books, mostly recommendations, book suggestions, book reviews, like everything about books. Talking about books is the primary concern of this channel. But other than that, I'll also talk about anything and everything, like topics that may interest both you and me. Suppose it's 3 a.m. in the morning and I'm sleeping and in my dream suddenly an idea struck me, and if I feel that's shareable with you, I will do so. Having said that, I think I have done my explanation quite well. So if you have any suggestions or queries, you can always talk to me in the comments section. If you feel that there are some aspects where I need to work on, please do not forget to mention it to me. I'm a learner and I'll be happy to learn from you all. So I think this is it. This is the wrap up. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and well, if you do not have a safe space yet, try to create one. Bye.